Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money every hour on the Bybit Launchpool platform. And also, I'll be showing you how you can get free Bitcoin whether as an existing user on BitGet or as a new user on BitGet. I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to do all of these things in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important part of this video. Now, as you can see on the screen, I'm on my BitGet account. And if you don't have a BitGet account, use the link in the description of this video to create an account and you'll be getting a mystery box that contains free Bitcoin. Now, I'll be telling you more about the free Bitcoin later in this video, but first I'll be talking about how to make money with Launchpool. Then after that, I'll be talking about how to get the free Bitcoin, whether as an existing user or as a new user on BitGet. Now, before I go into all of this, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, the stock market, and how to make money online. So if you love videos like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now, the first thing is, how do you make money with Launchpool on BitGet? The first thing you need to do is to come to your screen here where you have N right here. And if you scroll down, you see where you have Launchpool right here. So you tap on it. Now, this will take you to the BitGet Launchpool page. And as you can see right here, you see enjoy yield farming and staking rewards flexibly and securely. Now, how do you make money every hour on the BitGet Launchpool platform? Now, if you scroll down here, you see that there are different projects that are being launched on the BitGet platform and they are available for you to claim for free on the Launchpool page. Now, this is what I mean. Now, as you can see right here, the first project right here is the NEBL project, which is being launched right here. So you can stake your cryptocurrencies right here and earn NEBL for free and even earn free money for yourself every hour. That's the sweetest part. You earn it every hour. And if you scroll down, this is another project right here, VINU, which you can stake your crypto and earn free money every hour. And if you scroll down again, this is another project right here. You can see that this one right here is completed, so you can't claim right here again. You can see this one is also completed, and if you scroll up right here, you can see the NEBL is still farming. So you can still farm this NEBL right now. Now, how do you farm this NEBL project on the BitGet Launchpool page? Now, you can see the two different options right here. You can stake your NEBL to earn NEBL, or you stake BGB to earn NEBL. So what this means is that for you to earn this NEBL for free, you need to have NEBL in your wallet or you have BGB in your wallet. But if you don't have any of these two cryptocurrencies in your wallet, you can deposit USDT in your wallet and use the USDT to buy any of these two cryptocurrencies. So that's the first thing you need to do. Now, the second thing you need to know is that there is an APY that depends on what you are staking. So if you are staking NEBL, the APY you will get is 12%, while if you are staking BGB, the APY you will get is 5%. That's the second thing. The third thing you need to know is that if you want to know more about this project, whether how legit it is or how promising it is, you can come here to read the white paper. You can see right here where the arrow is. You can come here to read the white paper. You can check out the website right here, and you can also check out the rules of this Launchpool project right here. So let's say, for example, you want to stake BGB right now. So you just come here and tap on stake. You can see where you have stake now. Tap on stake now. And if you scroll down right here, it will show you all the information you need to know about this project. So you can see the total rewards that everyone can claim from this project. So everyone can claim 2,000 NEBL. You can see your farming period, so you can only farm this for 5 days. Today's pool reward is 400 NEBL. So that means those that have claimed rewards today, they've claimed 400 NEBL from this. And also the total staked is 13,246,121 BGB. So this is the amount of BGB that has been staked for this project. And right here, you'll be seeing your staked funds. So if you have staked any BGB, you see it right here. And you'll be seeing your total yield. That is the amount of NEBL you have been able to claim right here. And also you'll be seeing your APY right here. Now, I need to explain something. For those of you that don't know, you are not paying any money to get this NEBL. You're only staking your BGB to get the NEBL. And once the staking period is over, or once the farming period is over, you get your BGB back in your wallet. So it's not as if you are using your BGB to pay for it. No, you're getting your BGB back in your wallet with the NEBL that you have claimed. And you can now later sell that NEBL to USDT and withdraw. So it's just like as if you are earning free money. And the second thing is that you'll be earning the NEBL every 1 hour. So if you come here every 1 hour, your NABL will be increasing. So you'll be earning more NABL every 1 hour. So this is how you can make free money with the BITGET Launchpool. So if you want to stake, you come right here to where you have staked the amount and enter the amount of BGB you want to stake right here, and you tap on confirm. Don't forget, if you don't have BGB, deposit USDT into your BITGET account through P2P, and you can now convert that USDT to BGB and then come right here to stake. So this is how you can make money with the BITGET Launchpool platform. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Now to how you can claim free Bitcoin, whether as an existing user or as a new user on the BITGET app. Now as you can see on the screen, it says mystery box event. Invite and trade now. Get mystery boxes worth up to 1 BTC. Now what this means is that BITGET is currently running a campaign where you can invite your friends to the platform and earn free Bitcoin, or you can also join the platform as a new user and earn free Bitcoin. Now how can you do this? Let me explain to you guys. Now if you can see on the screen, let me start with the existing users first. So if you're an existing user, this is how you can claim free Bitcoin on the BITGET platform. Now when you refer your friends to the platform, you'll be getting a free mystery box that contains crypto worth up to 1 BTC. So you can see right here what's in the mystery boxes. Each mystery box contains crypto worth up to 1 BTC, such as BTC, ETH, BGB, TRX, and so on. So these are the different cryptocurrencies you will be seeing in the mystery box when you invite your friends. So you can see right here, for each valid invitation, you get 1 mystery box. So if you invite 10 friends, you get 10 mystery boxes. If you invite 20 friends, you get 20 mystery boxes. Now, what you just need to do is just send your referral link or referral code to your friends. When a friend of yours registers via your referral and completes a spot trading of more than 50 USDT in volume, it will count as a valid invitation. Every valid invitation will get you a mystery box. So you can see how simple this is. All you have to do is just send your referral link or referral code to your friends, and then they register. And then once they do spot trading of more than 50 USDT, you have 1 mystery box. So that is how you as an existing user can earn free Bitcoin on the BITGET platform. So start referring your friends right now. Make sure they trade at least 50 USDT in volume on the spot trading page on BITGET. So that is for existing users. Now for new users, this is all what you have to do. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that you use the link in the description of this video to register on BITGET. And once you do that, you deposit at least 50 USDT to get 1 mystery box. So you can see right here, first time you deposit of more than 50 USDT will get you 1 mystery box. So that is for 1 mystery box. And also, if you now do first time spot trading of more than 50 USDT, you will get another mystery box. So you can see that if you're a new user, you can get 2 free mystery boxes to get free Bitcoin on the BITGET platform. So these are the things you need to do for you to earn free Bitcoin on the platform. Don't forget, for existing users, you invite your friends and make sure they trade at least 50 USDT. While for new users, deposit at least 50 USDT to get 1 mystery box, and then you trade at least 50 USDT to get another mystery box. And if you see right here on the screen, there are still 1,324 mystery boxes remaining to be claimed. So you can still claim free mystery boxes right here. So start referring your friends, and don't forget, as a new user, use my link in the description to register and claim mystery boxes. So this is where we are going to end the video for today. If you have any question, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be replying to every question I get. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.